Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Islam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics exercise 7a for new secondary mathematics book 1, class 6 subject students, and exercise 9a for new syllabus mathematics D1 Oxford A level O level students. And question number 14 is find the number that must be added in 3 and 8 so that the ratio of the first number to the ratio of second number is 2:3, and we have to find that number that is added to these two numbers. So students, we will suppose that that number is x. Let the required number is equal to x. And students, according to the condition, if we add x in 3 as well as x in 8, then the new ratio will be 2:3. So according to the condition, 3 plus x ratio 8 plus x, that will be equal to 2:3. Now students, we will write the ratios in the form of fraction, and it will become 3 plus x over 8 plus x is equal to 2/3. Now we will do BCM. BCM mean by cross multiplication, and we will have students 3 into 3 plus x is equal to 2 into 8 plus x. Now students, 3 will multiply with 3 and we will get 9, and when 3 multiply with x, and we will have 3x is equal to 2 6 are 18, and 2 multiply by x mean 2x, and 2x is plus on right side. When we transfer it to the other side, it will become minus, and when we transfer this 9 to the other side, it will become minus. So we will have 3x minus 2x is equal to 16 minus 9. So the value of x is 7. Now students, look at both the numbers. If we add 7 in 3, it will become 10, and when we add 7 in 8, it will become 15. So the ratio of 10 and 15 is 2:3, means we have find it the number that is correct. So that number is x. Students, question number 14 of the same exercise. Ethan, Janvi, and the third one is Ethan, Janvi, and Raj has the money, and the ratio of their amount is 5:6:9. After Ethan gave $50 to his mother, the new ratio is 3:4:6, and we have to find the Ethan's money before giving $50 to his mother. So students, first we will suppose that the money of all the three boys will be 5x, 6x, and 9x. So we will write and let money of the boys is equal to 5x, 6x, and 9x. After giving $50 to his mother, Ethan's money will be, as Ethan is written at number 1, so Ethan's money is 5x. After giving $50 to his mother, after giving $50 to his mother, now students, the money of Ethan will be 5x minus $50, because he has given $50 to his mother. Now students, I will write it as the new ratio is 5x minus $50 ratio 6x ratio 9x, and the new ratio is 3:4:6. Now students, we have to find the money of Ethan. So we will select first two numbers, 5x minus $50 ratio 6x, and that will be equal to 3:4, and we will find the value of x, and then that x will be multiplied with 5, and that will be the money of Ethan. So we will select first two elements from both the sides, and we will have 5x minus $50 ratio 6x is equal to 3:4. Now students, we will write the ratio in the form of fraction, and it will be 5x minus $50 over 6x is equal to 3/4. Now students, we will do BCM. Now students, BCM, and BCM mean 4 into 5x minus $50 is equal to 3 into 6x. Now students, 5 4s are 20x minus 54s are 200, $200 is equal to 18x, and 18x is plus on right side. When we transfer it to the side, it will become minus, and this $200 is minus on left side. When we transfer it to the side, it will become plus, and 20x minus 18x is equal to $200. 20x minus 18x means students 2x is equal to $200, and the value of x is students $200 divided by 2, and that is $100. Now the value of x is $100, and we have to find the money of Athens, and the money of Athens is 5x. So in place of x we will put $100, and the value of 5x will be $500. Now students, I will write Athens money is equal to 5x. In place of x students, I will write $100. So 5 into $100, and when we multiply 5 with $100, we will have $500, and that is the amount Athens have, and he gave $50 to his mother. So after giving $50, he has is equal to $500 minus $50, and after giving $50 to his mother, left money will be $450. Friends, question number 16 is, given that x ratio y is equal to 3:4 and y ratio z is equal to 5:8, and we have to find the value of 2y over 3x minus y plus 2z. So students, we will find the value of x from this part of the question and value of z from this part of the question, and then we will replace the value of x and z, and we will find the value of the given statement. Now students, we will write as x ratio y is equal to 3:4. We will convert the ratio in the form of fraction, so x over y is equal to 3/4. And students, y is dividing on left side. When we transfer it to the side, it will multiply. So the value of x will be 3/4y, and we name it as equation number 1. Now students, we will write y ratio z is equal to 5:8. We will convert these ratios in the form of fraction. So y over z is equal to 5/8. Students, we have to find the value of z. So z, we can do BCM, and when we will do BCM, 5 will multiply with z and 8 will multiply with y, and 5 is multiplying with z. When we transfer it to the side, it will divide, and the value of z will be 8/5y. Now students, we will put the values of x and z in the given statement, that is 2y over 3x minus y plus 2z, and here I write putting the value of x and z, putting the value of x and z, and we will have students 2y. Students, for the convenience, I will write this denominator in the form of division. So it is written as 2y divided by 3x minus y plus 2z, and now I will put the values, and 2y will remain as it is. 2y divided by, in place of x students, I will write 3/4y. So it is written 3 multiplied by 3/4y minus y plus 2 into, in place of z, I will write 8 over 5y. 8 over 5y. Now students, I will simplify this bracket first and then we will do reciprocal. Students, the next step will be 2y divided by 3 3s are 9 over 4y minus y plus 5 is 2 8s are 16 over 5y. Now students, 2y minus, we will take LCM of the denominators and there are two denominators 4 and 5. So LCM will be 20. 20 divided by 4 means 5 and 5 9s are 45y minus the denominator of this y is only 1, so it will become 20y plus 20 divided by 5 means 4 and 4 multiplied by 16 means 64y. Now students, it will become 2y divided by 45 minus 20 means 25 and 25 plus 64 means 89 y over 20. And now students, 89 y over 20 is dividing and we will do reciprocal for changing this division in multiplication form and it will become 2y multiplied by 20 over 89y. Y will be cancelled with y and 2 20s are 40 over 89 and it is the value of 2y over 3x minus y plus 2z. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.